8.5 sum number 1 part 1 a plus b whole square minus 5a minus 5b plus 6. First of all, a plus b whole square taking minus 5 as common, minus 5 a plus b plus 6. Let a plus b equal to x. So therefore x square minus 5x plus 6, middle term those factor, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6, x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3, x minus 2 and x minus 3. Putting the value of x a plus b minus 2, a plus b minus 3. This is the answer. This is chapter number 8.5, sum number 1 part 3, x into x square minus 1 into x plus 2 minus 8. So therefore first of all, this is a square minus b square form. So here we can get x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 2 minus 8. This is a special type of sum. First of all, we have to multiply these two terms, x square plus x, and these two terms, x into x square minus x plus 2x minus 2 minus 8. After simplifying the second bracket, we can get x square plus x minus 2 minus 8. So therefore the first term of the second bracket is also equal of the first bracket. Now this is a special type of sum. So here there are 4 terms. You have to multiply it 2 in the pairs, and therefore after that you have to find the first 2 terms of the both the product of the 2 terms is always equal. Now therefore the second part is, let x square plus x equal to a. So therefore a into a minus 2 minus 8, opening those brackets, we can get a square minus 2a minus 8. Middle term factor, a square minus 4a plus 2a minus 8. Take common. After that, putting the value of a, we get a is x square plus x, therefore x square plus x plus 2, x square plus x minus 4. This is the answer. This is sum number 4 of the chapter 8.5. 8.5 1 part 4. Now first of all, here a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 equal to a square whole square minus b square whole square. So therefore this can be written as a square plus b square into a square minus b square. So therefore we can write here is a square plus b square into a square minus b square plus 8 a square minus b square whole square. Let a square plus b square equal to x and a square minus b square equal to y. Therefore 7x square minus 15xy plus 8y square, 7x square middle term minus 8xy minus 7xy plus 8y square, x 7x minus 8y minus y, 7x minus 8y. So therefore x minus y and 7x minus 7y. After that, putting value of x and y, we can get x is a square plus b square, so therefore a square plus b square minus y means a square minus b square, so therefore minus a square and minus minus plus b square. After that 7x means 7 into a square plus 7 into b square. After that, okay, this is 7x minus 8y, sorry, and after that this is minus 8y means minus 8 into a square minus b square, opening those brackets, minus a square plus 8b square, so therefore minus 8a square plus 8b square. B square plus b square 2b square, 8b square plus 7b square 15b square minus a square. This is the answer. This is sum number 1 part 5. X square minus 1 whole square plus 8x x square plus 1 plus 19x square. Now a minus b whole square, one of the formula is minus 4ab. Here we just put it there. X square minus 1 whole square equal to x square plus 1 whole square minus 4 into x square into 1. This formula and this formula into this formula into this formation. So therefore x square minus 1 whole square, we can write x square plus 1 whole square minus 4 into x square into 1 plus 8x x square plus 1 plus 19x square. Now after that x square plus 1 whole square plus 8x x square plus 1 minus 4x square plus 19x square plus 15x square. Now let assume x square plus 1 equal to a. So therefore a square plus 8ax plus 15x square, middle terming this algebraic expression, a square plus 5ax plus 3ax plus 15x square. After that a plus 5x plus 3 a plus 5 a 3x is common here, so therefore a plus 5x, sorry, so therefore a plus 3x a plus 5x. Now putting a equal to x square plus 1 into this, x square plus 1 plus 3x x square plus 1 plus 5x. Now this is the finest, one of the finest sum in the middle term factor of the factorization chapter. Now here this is the middle term minus x. Now this is one of the factor a minus 2 and this is one of the factor a minus 1. So therefore can we write this into this formation, a minus 1 minus a minus 2x, because if we open this bracket, a minus 1 minus a plus 2 into x minus 1 plus 2 1x equal to minus x. So from minus x we can write in this formation. So therefore a minus 1 x square minus third bracket a minus 1 minus a minus 2 close x minus a minus 2, opening those brackets, a minus 1 x square minus a minus 1 into x minus minus plus a minus 2x minus a minus 2. Now therefore from the first two common a minus 1 and x, the remaining is x minus 1. After that in these two we can take common a minus 2, therefore the remaining part is x minus 1. Now in this two algebraic expression x minus 1 is common, so take x minus 1 and the remaining is a minus 1x plus a minus 2. Opening those brackets we can get ax minus x plus a minus 2 complete. This is sum number 7, exercise 8.5. This is also a tricky sum. Now here first of all a minus 1 is a factor, this one, and this one a plus 1 is a factor. Now we have to break the a square. How? Now first of all anything into 1 equal to, the answer is the same, so therefore a minus 1 into a plus 1 and 1, these are the three factors. Now plus a square we have to break it. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square form, so therefore a square minus 1 plus 1. So if we eliminate this, so we can get a square, so therefore a square can be written as in this form. So therefore we can write a minus 1 x square plus a plus 1 a minus 1 plus 1 xy plus a plus 1 y square. Now a minus 1 x square plus a plus 1 into a minus 1 into xy plus xy plus a plus 1 into y square. Therefore we can take common as a minus 1 into x, so therefore the remaining part is x plus a plus 1 into y. After that we can take common as y, so therefore the remaining part is x plus a plus 1 into y. So therefore a minus 1 into x plus y x plus a plus 1 into y. If we take common these two terms, so therefore the remaining term is a minus 1 into x plus y. Now opening those brackets we can get a into x ax minus 1 into x minus x plus y, and after that x plus a into y ay plus y. This is the answer. This is sum number 8, x square minus qx minus p square plus 5pq minus 6q square. This is the lengthy sum. Minus qx we can take common as in here p square minus 5pq plus 6q square. We have to use the middle term procedure in here, so therefore p square minus 3pq minus 2pq plus 6q square. After that x square minus qx minus, take common p minus 3q minus 2q p minus 3q. So therefore x square minus qx minus p minus 2q and p minus 3q. Now this is the middle term qx minus qx. We have to write these two factors into here. How can we get this? P minus 2q minus p minus 3q, p minus 2q minus p minus minus plus 3q minus 2q plus 3q is q into x. So therefore in the place of minus qx we can write p minus 2q minus p minus 3q x minus p minus 2q p minus 3q, and after that x square minus, opening those brackets, we can get p minus 2qx plus p minus 3qx minus p minus 2q into p minus 3q, and after that taking common as x we can get x minus p minus 2q. After that taking common p minus 3q we can get x minus p minus 2q, opening those brackets. Oh, first of all we have to take common x minus p minus 2q close x plus p minus 3q, opening those brackets we can get x minus p plus 2q x plus p minus 3q. This is sum number 9. Here we have to put the formula a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. We have to put this formation into this algebraic expression. So therefore 2 a minus 1 by a whole square plus 2 minus a minus 1 by a minus 7. So therefore 2 a minus 1 by a whole square plus 2 into 2 4 minus a minus 1 by a minus 7. So therefore 2a minus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a minus 3. Let 2a minus 1 by a equal to x. So therefore 2x square minus x minus 3. After that middle term procedure, 2x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 3. Take x common, taking x common. So therefore we can get 2x minus 3 plus 1 2x minus 3. So therefore x plus 1 and 2x minus 3, putting x equal to 2 into, sorry, here this is a minus 1 by a. So therefore a minus 1 by a, putting x equal to a minus 1 by a in this equation, we can get a minus 1 by a plus 1 2 into a minus 1 by a minus 3. So we can get a minus 1 by a plus 1 2a minus 2 by a minus 3. This is the answer.